You guys have seen him in a lot of my Project EG videos. Now we want to take the time to formally welcome Juan Ariza to Refine Movement. Now Juan's a good friend who I really enjoy being around. We met him out on track, we've done go-karting together, the track days, he's been over the house a whole bunch. Just a really good guy, really happy to know him, and we are really excited that he wants to be a part of Refine Movement. But today's video is all about Juan and introducing his LS-powered CRX. He's done a whole bunch of track days, he's done really good things to this car just to keep it well maintained, and it is just a nice, reliable track car for him. I'm pretty jealous with how busted this thing can be sometimes. But so anyway, introducing Juan Ariza and his LS-powered CRX.
Alright, what's up everybody? We're over here getting ready to try on this new hoses. Here's Dushan. What's up, bro? So gay. These are the hoses, light, nice and shiny. And we think these are the tools you need. If anything changes, we'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so, well, I don't know, 2 minutes into the job, realized that I made my first mistake. Let me see, bro. So this is a hose kit for a 91 Acura Integra. You see the hose on the left looks almost like a question mark. That's what I'm supposed to have. And here, Dushan, this is what we have. So yeah, let me show you guys. So this is not gonna work, pretty much. The kink is just not aggressive enough to get to the radiator. So we got the wrong one. Good thing this kit wasn't too expensive. Like I said, this is a G+. So we're gonna go ahead and order another one, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the bottom hose and the U hose that's right over here. So yeah, that's what's going on, guys. You got ideas? Maybe, right? Maybe we'll try and we'll tell you guys if it works.
Because like this thing comes out like right there.
Yeah, the problem is that it comes out like right over here.
It might be a little kink though. It might be like that. But you don't need to
try. Right? I'm saying we'll try and see what happens.
Alright. I'll come more than we need.
Alright guys, just showing you right here. I'm taking off the radiator supports just to be able to get to the bottom hose a little bit easier. All I'm just gonna do is just gonna let me bring the radiator up so I can get to that hose. Go ahead, bro. Let's do some trying out a different cut this time. Still a long way to go. Bro, look at this. What I'm doing. Ready?
Taking off the hose. Ooh. Look at all that orange juicy goodness.
Orange. So this is what happens when you don't put coolant in your system. So if you run only water, it's gonna look like that.
But it's race car though, bro.
Yeah, I guess so.
Don't race cars only run water?
No, not if you want your coolant system to last for a while. Because eventually this could be issues, heating issues. But we're gonna try to maybe put a solution, because it's not really that bad. You can see, sometimes you will have literally like chunks coming out. It's not on that state yet. So, yep.
How mad would you be if I said I just didn't record anything?
Not that mad, dude.
Could do it again?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright, bro. So what are we taking off next?
The loop.
The loopity loop?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
That's back there somewhere. And all that mess and wires and hoses. It's one of those. I think that's the one.
This is the one.
Could be.
So we're gonna go ahead and remove that guy and put something brand new.
And awesome.
Fresh. Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and put this guy in. We went ahead and put the collars, I guess you can say, here, because it'll be a lot easier to do it now than when it's in the car. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy around here. So we got this U hose on here. Just so you guys know, there's a longer part. The longer part goes at the top, as you can see right here. shorter part goes at the bottom of the engine. We're just tying it up now. Make sure that you put the collar all the way as you can close to the engine to make sure that, yeah, kind of like this one, as close as you can here to make sure that you get the whole piece. We got the first guy installed. This is your G-spot hoses. Ooh. Now we're gonna do this guy here. Unfortunately, these are gonna be the only hoses I think that we're gonna be able to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these big collars on them, and then we'll go ahead and get it suited in there. I think we gotta loosen this bitch up a little bit.
Too tight.
Guys, remember, it's too tight. You gotta loosen it up.
Oh, you should move the collar back some. Yeah, there you go. And then shove it in there, bro.
One.
Yeah, it's a really bad shot on my part, by the way. And I can't see shit. It's all dark down there. It's all, everything is black. Ah! But it looks nice though.
It's a nice dark shot.
Yeah. There we go.
Jam the radiator.
Change the hoses, but now we need to change the radiator too because we broke it in the process.
Yes. Now we get to show you 2 things.
Check out these hoses though.
Times 2, right? Alright, now we're gonna do the second hole. Because everybody likes the second hole. Alright, I'm gonna stop with the jokes.
Yeah, it's kind of hard not to make jokes though when you got holes and you gotta shove things into them.
It's like nature.
Yeah.
That's our first little, not problem really. Just gonna have to adjust this hose. We're gonna cut it a little bit shorter because of the hydro conversion here, it doesn't fit well. Right now the radiator is being pushed towards the front of the car, so we're just gonna go ahead and trim this guy down a little bit, make it fit correctly. We're gonna go ahead and trim a little bit here of the hose just to clear the radiator. I'm gonna start small. I'm gonna use these lines to guide me a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna cut this guy open. All right.
All right, got it shorter.
Yeah, so this is gonna be
Take 2.
Take 2.
Action.
Hey. Just got a little bit.
That orange juice falling out the radiator.
That vitamin C, man.
Oh, what?
All right.
Still nothing.
No. Yeah, no, not yet.
Whoo, clean.
Check 10. Run for 3.
All right, take 3. Yeah, it's rubbing.
Yeah, right? So we gotta cut a little bit more.
Yeah.
So you guys can see right here that we almost got it, but there is contact being made here. And this is gonna go up and down every time I shift. And we're thinking about the track. You do that enough times, it's gonna wear the rubber, and then we're gonna be leaking. So we're gonna go ahead and trim a little bit more, just to be safe. Take 4. Alright guys, I think this is gonna be the one, bro. What do you think?
4th time is the charm, you know what they say. For the viewers. Yeah.
You
know they're gonna be complaining about your dirty engine bay.
No.
So what did you do here? How'd you get the bottom hose to work, man?
Well, it wasn't too hard, honestly. I think the hardest thing about the install was just making sure, like we said earlier, that there's clearance here. That's only if you guys have a Hasport hydraulic conversion to cable. But you see, just make sure that if you guys have that, make sure that you clear that, because that piece is something that is moving, and eventually you could damage your hose, which lead to a leak, and no fun, no good times there. That's it. That's what we did. I'm gonna go ahead and put the radiator supports back on, and yeah, and that's Christina right there. All right, bro, you can stop now.
The level of awkwardness is real.
It's good, right?
Yeah,
It's
good.
At least you're here, because he said.
All right, guys. So
And action.
just wanted to tell you real quick, the whole reason why I even got this hose kit to begin with is because I was having issues with these hoses here. The reason why that is because I've been buying the wrong kit. I need the kit that goes for a 91 Accurate Integra, like we said. So obviously the kit that I bought for these ones didn't work. I will get another one and eventually replace this. But for the meantime, Dushan noticed that this end was just a little bit too long. So we just trimmed a little bit here, and then I'll show you guys that we got a way better alignment now to say. So we're gonna try that out, and hopefully it doesn't leak. It always leaks right here for me, and it's because it would always have a kink here. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and run it, and we'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, just wanted to show you the finished product here. Obviously, like you guys saw, we weren't unable to use the hose from the kit, so I just reused the one I had already, but I did make some adjustments. We cut a little bit here just to get it to fit on more perfectly. I did use one of the new necks or collars to say from the kit, because it came with the kit. This one we were able to use. We just, like you guys saw, just have to make sure the clearance is good there. Everything looks really good. I'm pretty happy. We just ran the car and we bled the coolant system with this little nipple here. No leaks. I think it looks cool. It's shiny. Definitely gonna try to find the upper radiator hose to complete the whole thing. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully we'll have some good things to say about this kit. We'll find out after the track day to see if he makes it, if it's even worth it. All right.